Amitabh Tiwari, we spoke to a lot of women who are sowing seeds for the winter crop in a farm in Purnia, and they were mighty chuffed with the fact that they'd got this 10,000 rupee. Some had bought sewing machines, some had bought some goats. They were very happy, and I asked them, will this impact your decision to vote? And they said, yes, we are being taken good care of. Women, Nari Shakti, seems to be at the core of the appeal of Chief Minister Nitish Kumar.
Yeah, essentially because when we asked that vote vibe, if you get the money, will you switch your vote from others or a Jan Suraj or a Mahagathbandhan to India to NDA? 5.8% of voters said yes.
That's it.
So 6% is a big swing in an election when the margins were only 12,000 votes between the two alliances. And this 10,000 rupees is a series of steps which Nitish Kumar has taken. It's not come out of the blue. So you have had a cycle distribution scheme, you had a scholarship scheme, you have 28% of women in police in Bihar. The national average is 12 to 13%. You have 50% panchayats, you have a reservation for women. Correct. So this is seen as a series of steps in his attempt to empower women of the state of Bihar. That's one. Second is it's also tied to a hope of getting rupees 2 lakh in the future. Because if you have a good business plan, that's what the government is promising, then they will be facilitating a 2 lakh rupee worth loan from other banks. And when we asked questions as to what you have done with this money, this we asked when the money was transferred in the accounts of the people, 58% said we have started some kind of a small business. Correct. So, and to be fair to Nitish Kumar, he has not fallen in the trap of a Maharashtra or a MP or a Delhi or a Karnataka kind of model wherein you have to give a cash dole every month.